Hi there everyone. I wanted to do a very quick demonstration setup of my sexy knob and sexy commander that I installed. There's not many videos out there with folks different types of settings. I found the first one to be able to shift the gear of the car, reverse, park, drive, in the middle, and then the left is a button you press and you can open the doors. Find this very useful. To go back to the previous screen, you just press the button. This one is to turn to lock the doors. It also folds the mirrors. Glove box. And then this one is to turn on all the lights and off, and you can also press it and you can twist it, turn them on, but you go back. All right, second control screen. This one is to control the car's temp. I do have the wiper one. You can just turn this. You can kind of hear it going. Very useful. Fan speed. You know, it's real time. This is awesome. And then on the second screen is for a Highland version, seat cooling, seat warming. See the light corresponds. And same thing on the right. So this one is like, the first one I showed is mainly when it's in park, or the second one is when I'm driving or want to change the controls for the climate mostly. Third one is more so drive, and I programmed this middle one to be an autopilot button here. You can do your blinkers left and right. You can, I'm sure when you're driving, change your max speed with autopilot. And then this one is to precondition the battery. This one is to control regenerative braking right from the knob. And then this one is a favorite, or a add-on button. If I press in, this one will dim the mirrors, side mirrors. I did put this one in here, which is the light strip. So this controls how bright and how dim the light strip is. I like 50. This one is, what is this one? Oh, open and close the charge port. This one is the rear climate, so you can turn on the rear fans, turn them off. And then this one is an climate keep, if you want to leave your car at the set temp. Anyway, I heard there's an upgrade that you can get to have 5 different dashboards. I haven't played with that yet, but hopefully this was helpful. This is just my settings, but there's just so many more that you can do. Love this product. It was very easy to install. Highly recommend.